Hello, this is Yolanda, Bravo Hotel 6 Papa Julia Lima. Welcome to Ailunce live stream show. Ailunce is dedicated to serving homes and developing more products that are suitable for them. Today, I will show you the Ailunce dual-band DMR radio, Ailunce Hd1. Ailunce Hd1 is dual-band, dual-mode, dual-display, and dual-standby radio. It is one of the most popular digital radio at the moment. The Hd1 is IP37 waterproof, and the connector is Motorola contact pin interface, better waterproof effect. And we can see the battery, it is 3200 ultra long standby time. Can see DC 7.4 voltage. Watt and wide frequency. Now we can turn on the radio. The turn on photo is Ailunce logo, and you also can custom your own logo by yourself. We can see this radio. Now, it is the unique photo I set by myself. You also can set it. The method is very simple. You only can make a photo and write it to your radio from the software. We know that the Hd1 supports dual-band, dual display, and dual standby. Here we can see the radio display. It shows most of information such as this is low power, and the minus is offset direction, and this is time slot. This shows the current radio mode is DMR mode, and the frequency is receive frequency. Here, this is your channel zone, and this is the channel number. We know that the Hd1 supports FPP front panel program. Here I will show you some shortcut key. First, we can short press exit key. This red key, press it. We can switch VFO mode and channel mode. This is short press this key. Now we can long press this key. It is FM. Long press again. Now it is DMR. This is the exit key. We also can press this scan key, short press. We can switch to main channel and sub channel. Short press this key. And if we long press this key, it will start scanning. Stop. And the last one is lock key. Short press this key. Dual standby and single standby. When in single standby, it will show the time and band A. Now it is still banned. This is the exit key, scan key, and lock key, long press and short press. In addition to the above mentioned some very simple and convenient operation, we know Hd1 supports front panel programming. Here I will show you how to program the radio without computer. First, we can set a Fm Simplex Channel. Now, if I want to press FM mode, I need to long press this key. Now it is FM. I write a frequency 443 2 and this is the receiving frequency. We can get into the menu list. This is band A, this is band B. We can edit the band A. Select the Ctcss. This is receive and transmit. This is receive, this is transmit. We can set a Ctcss both transmit and receive. Press this key to switch Ctcss DCS. We can select this one. Because it is simplex, we select off. Offset is off. This is OK. We can select edit this radio. Long press this key. 443. There is a signal interface. 443. And we select okay, now I have set the FM Simplex channel. Hello. Now I have set this channel only with the radio keypad. We only need to set the receive frequency and the Ctcss, these two parameters. It is very easy. Now it is VFO mode. If we want to save it as a channel mode, we can get into the menu and find this save channel. This is CH. It means the current channel is not empty. We should, if there is only numbers, it means the channel is empty. We can save the VFO to this channel. We can edit a name. T E S T. Okay, we have saved this frequency to a channel. We can check it. Press this key.
Channel mode 4, 5, 6,
This is the one we just saved. We can have a try. Hello, hello. Text 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a very simple FM channel. If we want to set a repeater analog channel, get into the frequency mode. And here is a repeater. The frequency is, I will write. Downlink frequency is this, and the uplink if there is an analog repeater, the information is like this. How to edit your Hd1, here I will show you. First, we know that the repeater downlink frequency is the radio receive frequency. So, the receive frequency we need to write 4, 6, 3, 3, 1, 2, this. And then we can get into the menu and set it as this, and the offset. This is this, so we can edit the offset. The up is minus, and the frequency is 10. Okay, this radio we have select OK. We can check this. This radio we set the theme. Okay, this is the repeater frequency we have programmed. Now we can have a try. Hello, hello. Test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, my radio connect the repeater, and from this to this, now we can see the transmit frequency is this, and this radio receive frequency is this. So my radio have connected the repeater. So when we are outside, it is very convenient. And after we programmed this frequency, we can save it as a channel, just like last one we have added. Press menu, get into the main set. We can select the save channel. Save this channel, and we can set T, E, S, T, one. Okay, this is channel mode. This is the channel we just saved. Now we can have a try. Hello, test. This is the analog repeater channel. Then we have, I will show you how to set the digital channel. First, switch to frequency mode. Frequency, we can use this and long press this key. This is the DMR mode. We can, if in the simplex mode, we can off this color code. We select 1. DMR mode, we select simplex. Slot, we select 2. This is radio ID. Connector, we select this. Okay, what we need to set is this. Now we can long press this key. Digital mode. Off. 1. Simplex. 2. This. Connect is this. Okay, I have set it okay. Hello. Test. Very easy. Hello. Test. Now you can see your radio shows the colors information. If you input the color information into the radio, your radio will show the colors information. Hd1 support to save 200,000 contacts. And if you are outside and there is no computer to import the local contacts, you can edit it on the radio keypad. Here I will show you how to edit the contact. We can get into the menu. Here is the contact. Now, if you are in the outside, you can edit the contact here. You can enter into the ID, tab, all call, group call, private call, and name, city, province, country. The priority contact support 1000. It is very easy. Edit it on the radio keypad. It will show like this. If you haven't edited the contact information, your radio will show like this. No information is founded. If you have imported the contact, it will show like this. Okay, this is the simplex digital frequency. If you want to save it as a channel, the method is same. Menu, main set, find the save channel. You can save it as channel 8. This is the simplex. If you want to connect the repeater, and you need to set the repeater information. I will show you the repeater. For example, my local repeater information is this. and the uplink receiver is like this, and the time slot is 1, color code is 1. How can I set the radio? First, I need to write the receive information.
4, 6, 3, 3, 2, 8.
This, and get into the menu, and ASET. I need to select edit this manners, and the offset is 10. Color code 1. And the DMR mode, we select repeater. 1, radio ID contact. This we just edited before, just like this. And this radio we set the theme.
4, 6, 3, 3, 2. 5, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2, 5. Sections.
Minus 10, 1, repeater 1. This is my radio ID, and this is the contact. This is the repeater. Now I will show you if it is successful. Oh, sorry, this frequency I edit.
4, 6, 3, 3, 2, 5.
Now it is same. Hello, hello. Test. Now I have connect my local repeater. This is the transmit frequency. Now, when we are outside, it is very, very convenient, and we can save it as a channel very easily.
Cancel.
Save channel 8. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Cancel.
This is the frequency. We can short press this key. Channel mode.
7, 8.
This is the just channel we have saved. Hello. Test. Okay, I have shown you how to set the analog simplex channel, analog repeater channel, digital simplex channel, and digital repeater channel. It is very easy. We can use the Hd1 set them only with the radio keypad. No need the computer. Except the above I have said, and there are many other things in the menu list. Now we can check. Enter in the menu. First, we can check the min set. When we get into the min set, we can edit for the whole channel. This is Scorch, Save. And this is the voice. When we select on,
Cancel.
we can hear the cancel. This is the voice. When we turn off the voice, there is no.
Confirm.
This is zone name. Now we select off.
Cancel.
Here, if we have set any zone, if we select the zone off, it will show zone 1, zone 2, no names. When we select the zone name, it will show the zone name.
Menu.
VOX delay, Mac again. Hang up. Hang up is a very useful function. I will show you how to use it. Now it is off.
Cancel. Menu.
We can select as private call.
Cancel.
As
Confirm. Cancel. Menu. Cancel. Menu. Cancel.
now it is a private call. Because this radio we select the group call, so we can't call back. Now. We can't call back, but we can turn on the hang up. We select 5 seconds. Within the 5 seconds, this radio can call back as the receive information. Okay? Now, this radio can call back within 5 seconds. Call back. If it is over time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is more than 5 seconds. Press this PPT. This radio don't receive. This is a hang up.
Menu.
We can continue. Key define. This is two set key. We can add it via the radio keypad directly. This is key 1 short. So many zone plus zone minus. And we can press this key, long press key 1, set key 1, short press set key 2, long press set key 2. We can edit them anywhere and anytime. Key beep, key log, channel mode. Channel mode, name, channel, frequency. For example, we select the frequency.
Cancel. Channel mode 8.
In the channel mode, it will show frequency.
Menu. Cancel.
Name.
Cancel.
Now it will show the name we have set.
1, 2. Menu.
Scan mode. Time, career, search. Save channel, we have tested it before. Delete channel. Roger beep, time, noise chill. This is main set.
Cancel.
Then we can select the message. Inbox write sent quick test.
Cancel.
Call log. Contact. Here we only can edit the priority contact. The address book contact we need to import via the software because it is 200,000. The priority contact is 1,000. Here we can manual dial.
Cancel.
Radio ID. Ailunce Hd1 support 32 radio ID. We can edit it here. We can enter the ID number, ID name, then we can connect. Hd1 supports different channels with different radio ID.
Cancel. Cancel.
Because this channel 2
Menu. Cancel. Cancel. 3, 4. Menu.
one channel we can select different radio ID.
Cancel.
FM. It is very convenient.
Scanning beacon.
我背上天使旅行箱，朝向着前往。
We can short press this key to start scan the FM broadcast. This is scan, and we can long press this key to save the channel we have scanned as a channel mode. This is short press this key and long press this key, and Hd1 support save 32 FM broadcast channel. Now we can long press this key. This is the one we have confirmed. Long press this key. Now this is the channel we have saved. Press this key and this key to switch channel 1, channel 2. FM broadcast is like radio frequency. Press this key, long press this key. Long press this key to switch VFO and memory. And this is the lock key, short press. Here we are DW. DW means due wait. When you listening the FM broadcast, if there is a signal come in, the radio will stop and receive the signal from another radio. When the signal is disappear, the FM broadcast will start again. So there are more other details. We can DW, no DW, and VFO, MR. Press this key to turn on or turn off. This is the FM broadcast, and encryption. You can select one to avoid other people listen your voice. This is the main set, and get into the band A or band B. We can set zone, step, power, low, middle, and high. VOX, wide and narrow, TOT, Ctcss, channel name, busy log. This is offset, color code, DMR mode, simplex repeater and double slot. This is promiscuous. Radio ID, contact, receive list. There are more other details I didn't mention here. Welcome to leave message. Let's talk them together. Here I show Hd1, only this. Now I will show you the Hd1 accessories. When you received the Hd1, you will receive those accessories. One user menu. This is the adapter, desk charger, strap, belt clip. Except those accessories, is there any other accessories that we can use on Hd1? I will show you. Here are two speaker mic. This is the IP37. Hd1 is IP37, so they are a good partner. Both waterproof and IP67. This repeater is the IP55, and the difference is here is the earpiece hole, so we can plug an earpiece just like this. This two speaker mic. We can use them on the Hd1 directly, no need to the adapter. And if you don't like this shape, you also can select this one. It is the IP54, and you also can use it on the Hd1 directly. This is the speaker mic. This is the Hd1 earpiece. G-shape earpiece. Here we can use it on the Hd1 directly. This is PTT. And this is the Hd1 long antenna. It is longer than the original antenna, so the communication distance is a little longer than the original antenna. And here we can okay. This is a long antenna. Let's see this. This is Hd1. Also can use on the Hd1. The connector is same. This radio. We can use it on Hd1 to increase the communication distance. Okay, except those antenna, we have another one, foldable antenna, Hd2. Now we can see the Yagi antenna that can used on Hd1. Okay. This is AY01. It is 3-millimeter Yagi antenna, and we can use an feeder cable for it. This connector we can connect to the Yagi antenna, and this connector we can connect to the Hd1. This is the AY01 antenna, and we show this. This is the same with the AY01, but it is foldable. We can fold it just like this. Here we can both 3-millimeters AY01 and AY02. And this is a feeder cable. This is the AY003. It is 5 element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one is AY004. It is dual band Yagi antenna, UHF and VHF. This is 1, 2, 3. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is Hd1 Accessories. With the increasing popularity of digital radios, the playability of the radio also increased. Mmdm is one of them. It can make radio achieve worldwide communicate through the Mmdm. Vivian will show you how to set and use the Mmdm.
Okay, this is Vivian. Bravo India 6 kilos sugar. Next, I will introduce the Mmdm hotspot. As an radio amateur operator, if you don't have a DMR repeater nearby, or you are out of the repeater range, yes, you need this kind of DMR hotspot. The hotspot is simply an internet gateway to a particular DMR network, just like the brand Mr. the TGIF network. As we all know, the DMR hotspots have become very popular due to the expansion of the brand Mr. network in recent years. Okay, next I will introduce how to manually program Hd1 to work with the Mmdm hotspot. First, let me power on this Mmdm hotspot. You can see the light is flashing. Here I use my office Wi-Fi for this DMR hotspot. Several seconds later, it will display the startup on the screen. This is a simplex hotspot. It has a OLED screen startup. Okay, let us waiting for the IP address shows on the screen. You can see here someone on the TG91. I will log into this IP address 192.31.150. 3.1.6. This is the IP address shows on my Simplex hotspot. Let us log into the pistar dashboard. Here you can see this is the digital voice dashboard for my call sign. And on this dashboard we can see who is transmitting on which group. This is the configuration. Here the name is pistar. And the pass number raspberry. On this configuration page, you can set your, this is the general configuration for your call sign, your DMR ID, and your hotspot frequency. We can see this is the Simplex Mmdm hotspot frequency is 233.0 megahertz. And I use the DMR master, brand Mr. Channel, brand Mr. Master. And the color code is 1. Okay. Let we move to Hd1, how to manually program. Firstly, this is the VFO mode. Tap the frequency 338. And this is no offside. And the DMR mode change to Simplex. The color code 1. And no shift off. First, you can create some contacts on your Hd1. This is a private echo test. If you you are not sure if you connect to this DMR hotspot, you can create a private echo tester to test if it will return back to you. And this is the native one. Let we choose this. 3. A very important thing is that you need to use the same radio ID with the ID you have set on your pistar configuration. Choose this ID, okay. And I used the time 2 slot 2. Okay, let us waiting. On the dashboard, you can see your loss and the BER. Let us have a call. CQ. This is Bravo India 6 kilo sugar Vivian here is standing by. Okay.
Bravo India 6 kilo Sierra Vivian Lima Uniform 1 Charlie Oscar Papa Ailunce Hotel Delta 1 user over.
Lima Uniform 是吗？
Bravo India 6 kilo Sierra Lima Uniform 1 Charlie Oscar Papa Vivian copy.
Lima Uniform 1 Charlie Alpha Papa. This is Bravo India 6 kilo sugar. Copy. Your signal is 5959. I am using the Ailunce Hd1 and Simplex Mmdm Hotspot. What kind of radio are you using? Over.
Bravo India 6 kilo Sierra Vivian, pleased to meet you. I am Facebook Prayer. I am Transmision via Ailunce Hd1. Thank you for contacting me. I'm 73. I am requiring confirmation via QFS. Operation analogy, please. Thank you for contacting Vivian. Bravo India 6 kilo Sierra Lima Uniform 1 Charlie Oscar Papa Herman, Buenos Aires. Super.
Thank you very much for your coming back, service 3.
Bravo India 6 kilo Sierra, Bravo India 6 kilo Sierra, PCC 1, BDP equals 1, Bravo Delta Victor. Kilo SF5, Lima, Yankee Golf, KI5, Bravo India 6, Kilo Sierra Sierra, this is A1 BGB Echo Alpha 1, Bravo Delta Victor. You copy, over?
Menu. Confirm. Cancel.
Echo Alpha 1 Bravo Delta Victory. Copy you. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sugar. I'm using Ailunce Hd1 and I'm in the living room for introduce the Mmdm hotspot and manually program the Hd1 with the hotspot. Thank you very much.
Bravo India 6, Kilo Sierra Sierra, Donny for Echo Alpha 1, Bravo Delta Victor. Good evening, Vivian. Good evening. My name is Manuel. My Alpha. Manuel for Echo Lima. Manuel is my name. I am in north of Spain. I live in Avilés.